Hi everybody and welcome along. Let me just get my video on for you guys. Hi everybody and welcome along to my daily market update and economic calendar. My name is Paul Bottrell. I'm the founder of Actions to Wealth and Online Trading Profits. And it's my pleasure today to bring you this economic calendar. We're looking for more comments from RBA Governor Lowe this morning around 8 a.m. Singapore. So that's about 10, 12 minutes from now. And then through the day today, we've got Fed Chairman Powell speaking. And obviously the OPEC meetings continue as well, which have some bearing on the oil price. Some interest in what they're trying to do there. Pretty quiet day Thursday before we get into the employment change on Friday, with Canadian and American non-farm employment change coming out there. And the big one for the week one would expect. Look, let's get into some charts and have a look and see what they tell us at the moment. Some pretty big moves over the last few days and some interesting times for us as traders. We'll start off with the FTSE. We saw this, biggest move down, followed by this biggest rally back up on Tuesday. So we're now left, I think, looking for this to start and give us some direction. And look, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a nudge up around weekly pivot and then a push down on the FTSE. We will watch and see for that. NASDAQ has gone back to recent highs. We said it would do this. It's been a while. It did have a couple of hesitations, but it has got there. And now we're starting to see some decisions. I think, again, we have the same issues with economic instability, COVID running wild. Although the vaccine does calm that a little bit, it's hard to justify a stock market putting in. And, well, with COVID, there is the possibility of further lockdown. So, no, it's hard to justify a new high in stocks, but it's been hard to justify for a while. I wouldn't be surprised to see it done. I think we're looking for a 4-hour close above this 12,464 level to get us long. I'm looking for using fib extensions for targets and perhaps a 4-hour close below 12,409 to start and get us long, and looking for a retracement down around sort of these levels here around 12,141 at this point. US 500 has busted through its recent highs. Just spent a little bit of time here. Has had another crack at it, and again, I think above 3643, we need to be bullish on this. Wouldn't be at all surprised to see a pullback to this level and then a bounce and a leg up if things play out as we would expect. Bitcoin had a decent crack up here, got to those previous highs, 19,831. Hasn't quite got to 20,000 yet. I can't help but feel like it's going to. I'm not surprised people are taking profits up here. We've seen a big run here, a little bit more yesterday and a little bit starting off today. So you're going to have to watch this a little bit of care, but for mine, what we're really looking for is to see it to get to 20,000, give us a solid break of that or a solid bounce off that. I know 19,850 is not far away from it, but it's not quite there. And I'd expect we'll have another look at the top of this some stage in the next, probably in the next week, but certainly in the next couple of months. Oil has, having rallied up, just started to break out of its range to the downside. We'll watch it get to this 43.73 handle and then have a look for it then. Break below would start and get me looking to come back into this range here, at least targeting the top of it. And a bounce there would have me back at least targeting these highs here. I would suggest that you need to be pretty careful while the OPEC guys are going in. They're talking about going back to more production, and that could impact oil prices quite sharply. So I'd be pretty careful of that. Euro took out the 120 level. Boy, it doesn't do that all that easily or all that often. Nice breakout on this, and boy, did it run through some stuff pretty quickly when it got through. Now up 70 pips and went through the level quite aggressively. And look, we'll have a bit of a look at this level, and it's been a while. It provided some decent, so broke, retested, moved down here, closed on it before it went through. It's been a significant level for quite a while. Let's have a look at a monthly chart and get a bit more data in. And you can see it really has been quite a significant level, both as support and resistance for some time. Look, now we're above it. We'll get back to the daily chart. In an ideal world, we're looking for some kind of retracement to it to move forward. But really, COVID's starting to be under control in Europe. The vaccine news, probably in a better place in the US at the moment. So yes, this move may have some wheels. And we may need to, if we're going to look for the retracement, we need to be quite patient. It's one of these ones where I think if you saw a retracement on an hourly or 4-hour chart, you could possibly find a way in if you needed to. As we go, look, we've had this triangle break. I'm just going to pull that down. this triangle break here, but this little push up, this little attempt to retest, possibly above monthly pivot on dollar yen, I would be long again. But really still doesn't look all that decisive to me as far as movement goes. Really, this bar has run the show for quite a while now. We've sat inside it for quite a while, and until we get a break out of top or bottom, at least of the body of it, I would be pretty cautious with it. Aussie US dollar and Aussie also taking on some recent highs, and right at putting a close yesterday right on the top of those recent levels. Sorry, guys. And seems to be significant. And look, if we're holding above here on a 480 chart, then I think you are looking to be long. And break below here on a 480 chart, you're possibly looking to be short. So targets to the upside, 74.12, 74 even probably is enough really at the top side here. And we'll see at that stage, take some money off and see if we get a run forward or whether we get a retracement to it. Look, guys, interesting times. Plenty going on in the market at the moment, and I expect plenty more with NFP coming in on Friday. We might see markets quieten off during the day, perhaps Thursday and Friday morning before this NFP number comes out. The market will watch it pretty carefully. My only suggestion to you guys, again, stay calm, make good decisions, and trade your own opinions. It's my pleasure to bring you this each week. It is a market overview for your interest, and it's not meant to give individual financial advice. Cheers, everybody. Have a good day. I'll be back tomorrow, same time. See you then.